Hello ulit mga ka-VA at nandito na naman tayo sa Virtual Assistant Life. And here goes our day 2 of our Filipino VA's house, day 2 of our construction project. On the next part of this will be the video, so I'll leave it to the original
Hello,
audio for now.
Sandman.
Thanks.
Diba? Be careful. Day two. You say day two. Try this. Day day number
Day number 2
of
of going to the
of our house construction. Why is my voice like this?
I don't know.
Walking towards our main house. You have the camera.
Hey, what are they doing? There's no even there's a hoop. But why are they doing what it was?
They're playing. Hold it na.
Oh, this little tricycle. Just spark.
Maybe you can play with them next time.
I need to be older and when I'm the same age as them, they will become older than me.
Let's practice. Look, oh, there's a small kid then.
Not even playing. They're not even playing with him.
There, oh.
They're just watching.
He's just on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
The net did not.
Oh, nice. They have something there. Yeah. Wait, there's a bike. Oh, here, look here.
But it's gonna be so hard to put sleeper. I mean,
No, we can put it there.
sleeper on
Let's stay there. I'll take your picture. Careful, huh? Don't touch anything, huh? Look here. Remember, we're gonna extend it. Nice. So there's more space. Careful. Wala. Sorry. Expect nyo na araw-araw mamasal kami. Ala, dagi. Sige, go. Oh, baka madumihan. Don't step on the lie down there. Don't step there. Yeah.
What do you even get on that?
They have an entrance there. Still no work here on the second floor.
It's like they're living in the house.
Yeah, they do. They sleep here. Careful, don't step on it.
Go in.
Yeah, go. They dug up the back. Hello, doggy. Stay there. He cannot reach you.
Why is there Spider-Man here? Why is there a spider?
I don't know.
Maybe it's
I
a...
take a picture with the dog. Day 2.
They too.
Okay.
It's not even recorded day 1. Did you?
No, but we have a picture. Thank you, boss.
I didn't know we were gonna extend it.
Yeah, we're gonna extend it there. Tatay's office will be there.
Ah, that's your office?
Yeah, just a small one there. Careful. Yeah. Stay here. Picture again, day two. And then day two. Okay. So I think it's just really a small space for me. Careful. Yeah, there will be like a and then there's a gate. It will be similar to this one, Titus. Look, it's there. And then the door, and then there will be a gate here. Yeah, let's create a new YouTube. Thank you, Lord. Can you say, and that is day two? Go. Oh, and that is louder.
And that is day 2.
So ayun, balik muna ako sa voiceover. Uh, Itong asong to, hindi pa rin namin alam kung anong pangalan niya. Technically, we are on day 6 today. By while I'm editing this video. Pero aalamin ko ang pangalan niya mamaya dahil natakpan na yung mukha niya. So kawawa naman yung aso. And there you go. We're almost done with day 2. Um, so Titus and I are just looking at our house, at the front view, taking pictures again, so we can compare as the days go along. So again, this is what we want to do every single day of construction. That or if kung magpapahinga yung mga workers namin, I think we'll still visit and
Vlog,
try
vlog,
try to do this vlog,
Para pagkatapos na,
just so we can go
make
back
sure
to it.
na bago.
It's more for us instead of para sa iba, pero we want to share this piece of our sacrifice and the fruits of our labor, as so to speak. And I think that's it for the video, and just a recap of the photos that we took for day 2. So as you can see, it's more on the basis of yung mga slab, kung saan sila ikakabit, yung mga poste. And gusto ko tong shot na to kasi nandun yung shadow ko. And so puro hukay muna. And again, yung mga pwesto, inuuna talaga yung mga foundation. And while I was looking at my son and and the house, medyo dramatic ang banat, pero again, it made me really feel good looking at something na masasabi kong amin na talaga, after all these years na we worked hard for something and unti-unti nagiging nagka-come into fruition lahat ng aming paghihirap. And there, so this video is almost done. Titus is showing you the final pictures, and that is day 2. Again, actually, of our of a Filipino VA's life house construction project. So again, please join us on our journey. We'll have other contents, but this is it so far. We thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, mga ka-VA. Thank you. Bye-bye.